Our Public Works Department continues to address pothole repairs throughout the town. In addition, crews are actively working on milling and resurfacing operations in the Rosemont Subdivision. Recent rain, colder temperatures, and the holiday schedule have slowed progress. However, with warmer weather expected next week, we anticipate work will move forward at a steadier pace. Also, the Tennessee Department of Transportation opened up the northbound lanes of Lowry Street. They have also opened the new State Route Parkway eastbound off-ramp to Lowry Street. We would also like to remind residents that for our brush and leaf pickup service, all leaves must be placed in brown, biodegradable lawn and leaf bags to ensure proper collection and disposal. And for a complete list of all current projects in the town of Smyrna, just head to townofsmyrna.org, click on Project Trackers, and you'll see everything that's happening right now. Thank you for your cooperation and patience as we work to maintain and improve our community's infrastructure.